In this video, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that I'm using to make over $500 per day on Facebook and how you can copy exactly what I do. And I'm going to take you through step by step the exact things I do to make this money. You're going to want to watch this one because this is very value packed and I pull back the curtains on my entire operation so you can see exactly what I'm doing to make this money. There's not many videos online that are willing to pull back the curtains and everything and show you exactly what they're doing. Now, here's some results on the screen from this. We have 200,000 here, 100,000 here, 17,000 here, 160,000 here, 68,000 here. Now, I'm not saying you're going to go and make this much money. I put in the work to get this, but I'm going to show you exactly how I did it to give you a better understanding of how online business works. And I'm going to give you the training and the tools to do this. Now, if you're new to my content, my name is Franklin and I bring out videos every single week on how to make money online and build an online business. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, tap that notification bell so you know my next video comes out and you get notified exactly when it goes live and you can see the best methods before anybody else. We bring out videos every single week without fail. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you some free goodies that are going to help you with this exact strategy that I'm showing you. It's going to help you get started and it's going to help you scale it as well if you're already actually doing this. It's very important that you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any steps and you pick up the free goodies at the end that are going to help you make money with this if you decide to go and do it. Now, for my regular subscribers, the two winners from the last video up on the screen. Now, we don't have an emoji in this video. We will be bringing it back soon. We're just going to leave it for now. If you're new to my channel, don't worry, this doesn't matter to you right now. We were doing some giveaways, but we're stopping them just for a little bit. The winners are up on the screen and they have been contacted. So let's get started and let me show you exactly how I'm making $500 per day on Facebook. All right, guys, so who is this for? Obviously, if you want to make some money, but more importantly, if you don't have a product, this is perfect for you. Or even if you do have a product, this is perfect for you as well. This strategy can be used for both types of people. Whether you have a product or whether you don't have a product, you're going to get value out of this video no matter where you are or what you're trying to do online right now. So just before we get into the actual video, we need to talk about the two types of products that I promote online to make my money. So I do my own products, which I get 100% of the money from. So when I sell my own product, I get all the money. Or I promote other people's products where I usually get around about 30 to 50% of the sale price. Now, the best thing about promoting someone else's products is you don't have to create a product. You don't have to do after sales support or anything like that. So I do both because I like to do both. And you'll see in this video why I do both. Now, to find somebody else's products to promote, we're going to talk a little bit more about this later, but just briefly, you can go to a website called jvzoo.com or you can go to a website called clickbank.com, and we'll come back to this, okay? This is mainly for the starters about how I actually get the traffic to make the money, but we'll come back to that. So the first step, what you want to do is you want to find some sort of traffic source. Well, that's what I did. And in this case, it was Facebook ads. You can use free traffic. You can use Google traffic. You can use any type of traffic for this. What's important is you need to give away something for free. In my case, I was giving away a free book. Now, it can be a book, a cheat sheet, a video. You just need to give something away for free. And the reason you want to do that is because you want to collect their email. That's really the most important part of this, is collecting somebody's email. Now, what I do is I send people to a page that looks like this. This is called an opt-in page or a lead magnet, where they click a button. And then what happens is I put in my email. When I click this button here, it sends me to another page, but then I also get their email. Now, what happens in this case, this is the funnel that I did. I sent them to an offer. So this was my own product for $27. And then there was another upsell. If they didn't purchase it at $27, I offered another product to them for $9. So as soon as they put that email in, they went to these offers. Now, there's a reason why I did this, because I want to make enough money here to pay for my advertising, okay? If I can pay for my advertising in this section here, which you don't always do, but if you can get as close as possible, then you can spend as much money as you want on ads, because you're going to make all your profit later on in the emails. So I collect the email. So when people actually get in, they go onto an email list and I send them the book straight away. But more importantly, they get sent to an offer that I can promote. Now, it doesn't have to be your own offer, guys. You can put in other people's offers. We'll talk more about that soon. And it's really simple to set up. I'll actually leave some videos below on how to set up a funnel. It's real simple, but I'm not going to do it in this video because this is just a bit of a case study. But I promote other offers, okay? So I want to make back money here at this point so I can pay for my advertising or pay for a majority of my advertising. This is really the most important part. The reason we use Facebook, we'll get into the emails in a second, but the reason we use Facebook is simple. The reason we use advertising, you can do this on any advertising platform now, is the targeting is so specific. I could go and do a course on email marketing and I could promote it to people who are interested in email marketing, or social media marketing course, or anything. You can go into Facebook advertising right now or Google advertising, and you can specifically put an advert in front of someone who is specifically interested in something. It's crazy. If you're not doing advertising right now in your business, you're crazy and you should be doing it. It's insane and it's very, very powerful stuff, and you can make insane amount of money. Actually, that award behind me on the wall is for $1 million. I got a few of those, and that one was actually from free traffic, but the other one that I got was purely from the other one. I got a few more that are purely from advertising, okay? So it works really, really well. Now, once these people get onto the email list, I send them the book straight away, but I also start to promote my product, which is a $297 course. Once again, you don't have to promote your own thing. You can promote somebody else's product, but you just get a little bit less money, but that's okay. So what I do is I promote for 2 or 3 days or 4 or 5 days, right? And what I'm doing here is, once again, I'm just trying to get enough money to cover my advertising cost if I need to. If I've already covered my advertising cost, that's fine. I'm making money at this point. That's absolutely fine. Now, the email marketing is really simple. You can actually use a program. There's lots of programs out there. Let me show the one that I use. So I use this one here, and I can connect it to my funnels, and I can set up automation so the emails get sent out automatically. I don't have to touch anything once it's set up. It's real simple to do. It does take time to set everything up slowly over time. You don't need to do it all at once. I just do an email a day while my ads are running. And I set it all up, and this is called Get Response. So this is something you can use for your email marketing. Now, where I do make my money is I actually have a break for a few days, and then I start promoting other people's products because I don't have time to make a bunch of courses, right? So I essentially promote other people's products for a commission, usually around about 50%. And I do this for 30 days, around about 30 days. Some things I have for 90 days, but around about 30 days is pretty good. Anything I make beyond this point is usually profit. So I make majority of my money here. Sometimes I might make more, sometimes I might make less to pay for ads. And then I make some more money here. And then all of this money here is pure profit to me. Okay? It's pure profit, and I'm promoting products I never touch, I don't own, I don't have to do anything for them. Okay, and I promote these in the back end email marketing system. Now, pay attention. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, and that's what it's called, affiliate marketing, when you promote other people's products. We'll talk more about that in a second. I want you to pay close attention for this, because this could potentially change the way you look at making money in your business. After 1 day of my ads, so after 1 day, each lead to me is worth, this is a new account I set up, so it's not really that accurate yet, but each lead to me is worth $16.19. So what that means is I can go and spend $16 to get one email, because I know that I'm making the money back here. Okay, the software they use has told me that each lead is worth around about $16 to me. So I can go and spend $10, $5, $16 on a lead. It doesn't matter. But that number isn't actually the most important part about this. This is called lifetime value of a lead, of an email. You'll notice on day 3, it goes up from 16.7 cents to 16.19 cents. It went up like 9 cents. This is the most important part. The reason it went up 9 cents is because the leads started to buy in the emails, and it goes up and up and up. And this lead value here, this is a test, but usually we get our lead value up to like $30, $40, $50 per lead within a couple of months. That means I can go and spend lots of money on ads. Let me explain to you in better detail here. So in 3 days, a lead was worth around about $16.19. Well, it was actually $16 on the first day, but 3 days it went up 7 cents. I now know that I can spend $16 per email. I can go and put $16 into Facebook, and I know I'm going to make $16 back per lead within a few days. Okay? That's really critical to know those stats. And you don't need a fancy software to track it. I have one, but you can just do it with the calculator. It's not hard to figure it out. Let's say after 30 days, each lead is worth around about 28, which is, I'm just going off the numbers on one of my other campaigns. I now know that I can spend $16 per lead, but now let's say I spend an average of $15 per lead, so say $15, $16 per lead, then I nearly double my money in 30 days. So if you could put $16 into a machine to get one email, and then you knew, $15 or $16, doesn't really matter, $15, $16 to get one email, then you knew in 30 days that email was worth $28 or $30 or whatever. Would you go and put as much money as you can into ads? Of course you would, because you double your money in 30 days. You need to know the numbers. It's very important. They're called KPIs, key performance indicators. You need to know these. Once you know these, you can really scale your business to the moon. Okay, you can just scale it and scale it and scale it and scale it. Now, it didn't just happen overnight, though. It took me quite a while to work these numbers out, do the emails and things like that. But it's crazy. Now, let's just put it into perspective here. The reason your lifetime value of a lead goes up so much is because people are buying. This is a 30-day period here as an example on this graph. People are buying in the emails that you send out. What that does is it boosts up your lifetime value of a lead. The more offers you send, the more things people buy. And also remember to add value as well in between stuff. Don't just spam people with offers. But the more your lead your lead value goes up, and then the more you can spend on ads. Like I said, I'll spend $16 all down a lead if I know it's going to double to $30 I'm going to double my money in 30 days. Absolutely. Give it to me. Give me all the ads. I don't care. Now, where do you actually find affiliate offers? Like I mentioned, so you can find them at jbzu.com or you can find them at clickbank.com. And if you actually sign up to ClickBank and you click on Marketplace, you'll go to this spot here. Click on e-business and email marketing or any type. There's lots of industries. So let me just go back real quick. There's all sorts of niches that you can jump into. We'll just click on this one here. And you can actually promote these products by clicking promote. Okay? I can get it's called a hop link, and I send people to this link. So I would send people to my own funnel first, then I would send them to that link. Now, what's important though, see on this one, you get an average of $120 per sale. For your offers, after people opt in, you probably want to go for something that's a little bit lower, like maybe this one, or no, these are all high ticket stuff. But so what you want to do is you want to go to the affiliate page, okay, of these offers, and you want to find one where you can get something to give away for free. So if you go into the bottom of this one, these guys don't have one, but I already have been registered, or register your information. And they give you all the banners. They tell you what the sales prices are and stuff like that. They give you all the emails and banners and stuff that you need to use. So these are all the emails. But try and find one where you can get a free book. A lot of these guys will give away free books or free cheat sheets or free checklists that you can actually give away. What happens once you have an email list? Here's a little bit of a trick to make quite a bit more money. After 30 days, 40 days, 10 days, 15 days, whatever your email automation is, your leads are going to come to an end. What you want to do is you want to put them onto a separate list. You can do that in the automation. And then you can actually send them bulk emails to hundreds and thousands of people. And this is really cool because you can actually go to a website. You can send these bulk emails whenever you want. They're just sitting there on a separate list. You don't want to send these bulk emails to people that are going through a sequence because they're already trying to concentrate on the other offers that you have in there. But you can go to a website called muncheye.com, and they actually have products that are releasing every single day. So I could be like, hey, I feel like making a couple $100 today, or $1,000 or $2,000, however big your list is. I'm going to go and send an offer to my list, to my separate list of leads that are sitting there after they've gone through my sequence. So I would go, hey, I'm going to go to muncheye.com. I'm going to find a product that I like and I want to actually promote to these guys. Don't just promote anything. And And I'm going to click on, let's just click on this one here. So this is a software. I know this guy. This is a software in the e-commerce space. So let's just say that your leads have your interest is from e-commerce or something. I'm going to click on this JV page. I can sign up as an affiliate. I can get an affiliate link. And then when they go live, so I can just get an affiliate link here, sign up as an affiliate, and they give 50% commission. When it goes live, I can then go and send an email to this separate list that's sitting there. This is really the secret to this stuff. Is you want to make sure you put people in a separate list, because what people do is after 30 days or whatever, they don't do anything. The people trying to promote don't do anything, and the leads just sit there wasting away. It's really, really important to do that. So the most important thing is to make sure you have a hook, and that could be a free book or a training or something like that. An offer to pay for some or all of your ads. This is very important, to have something on the other end of that lead magnet to pay for some of your ads. Even if it pays for 13% of your ads, 20% of your, I don't know why I said 13, 20% of your ads, even if it pays for 70% of your ads, at least it's paying for some of your advertising costs. You can make back the rest in the emails. And then set up emails and build them out over time. So where do you actually find the best products to promote? To make this easier for you guys, I've put together a complete cheat sheet showing you the best places to find the best products to promote. And I've got video training, completely free video training on how to actually use these particular networks and products. I will leave a link in the description for this, and you can pick this up. It's completely free for you to go and download right now. Now, I do understand that this can take a lot of time and a lot of time to understand all of this. So what I've actually done, a lot of you guys are probably aware of this, some of you guys probably are not, but I actually have a training that takes you through all of this step by step. And we actually just recently, about a month ago, added a module which is called the Done For You Affiliate Systems inside this training. And we actually take you through everything step by step, the best offers, how to set everything up. We show you ClickBank. This is just one module, by the way. It's not the full training. We show you ClickBank. We show you ClickFunnels. We show you all of the best products to promote. And under the modules, you actually, so this is actually, if we go back, this is actually one of the ClickBank products. So if I click this here and we go down here, it says click here to download. And then this pops up. I can download the book to promote. I can download the emails. So if we go here, it shows me all the emails that I need to use to promote this specific product. I've created all of these myself. Me and my team have done this. We give you the Facebook graphics to do the ads. We give you the Facebook ad copy. We give you everything you need to actually get started with your own business, promoting products and making money online without actually having your own product. We actually take you through promoting these products without having your own product. If you want to know more about this, there is a link below that you can check this out. This is brand new content that we've just added, and you'll get taken to a page like this. You simply click on Start Building My Business, go down, and our pricing is down here, and we have a 30-day money back period. If you don't get results, we'll give you your money back. There's a link below to check that out. I think this is the best business online because you don't need your own product to promote, and we give you everything you need to start your business. However, if this isn't for you, no problems. I'll leave some free videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business online by promoting products you never even have to touch. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.